Welcome to English. Now, let's look at the second conditional. First, the structure. We have if plus the past simple in our if clause, and over on the result side, we have would or could or might plus the present simple. Use this conditional for things that feel impossible or unlikely and would or could or might happen after now. For example, if it rained today, I would, or I could, or I might stay at home. But hey, the sun is shining, it's very unlikely to rain. We also use this conditional to give advice from another person's perspective. If I were you, I would, or I could, or I might ask for a refund. And that is the second conditional.